Hi, my name is Tony, and in this video I will walk you through some of the features of this Yelp clone app. This app was made for educational purpose, so what this means is while I was building this app I was also learning a lot about Ruby on Rails framework and building up the test suite for the app. So we are now currently not logged on in the app, so we have this main navigation that has only 3 buttons. Right now we are on the home page. It's just basic site. It has reviews, nothing to it, and 3 buttons, right? The tutorial just sends us to help page, the sign up and login button. It's pretty self-explanatory. Those 2 basic about us and help are just static pages, so nothing special here. So let's just sign up as a new user. Let's give this guy a name Bob and a role of user. We are signed in, so we can quickly see that this page has changed a little. The 2 buttons disappears and we have new buttons for each of the reviews, so we can just vote on this review as being useful and cool, and we can say that this review is inappropriate and we can flag this review. Let's look at the main navigation first, or rather let's check the search form here. I'm really proud of this search form because it's actually working. So we can search by city, right? We get all the results from the same city. We can search by category. We can search by both cities and category, and know if none of the search term, our name is displayed, just displays all the guys here, and just name. If we just put it should not work. Oh, so it's working. Sorry about that. So this search form is actually working. Now let's look at the main navigation. About Me page can be accessed through here and account settings. It's pretty much the same thing. We have, as a user, we have 3 tabs: settings, reviews, and my friends. In settings, basically we can just update the full name and password and then hit save. And the reviews tab, we can make a review, so let's do that. Let's review the first company. We can rate it. And save the review. We can edit the review. Let's just make it 5 stars. And it's successfully updated. The next step is My Friends. So this step is pretty cool. So we have friends, pending, and blocked. So let's create another user. So this is the Firefox browser, so we can have simultaneously logged in Bob, and let's create another one. So let's do a Mary Poppins. So in our Firefox browser we have Mary, and let's Bob find a friend. So let's send friend request. Now I'm Bob, so friend request was successfully sent. Let's go to our Mary side and let's look at the friends tab. Oh, cool. So we have pending friend. We see that Bob Marley has sent us a friend request. Let's accept it. And now we have a friend, Bob Marley. So let's send him a mail. let's send this mail to Bob. As a Bob, I can view the messages tab, and look at here, we have the message as unread. We can mark it as important, or we can even reply, right? So let's just, oh, and we can also, of course, mark it as important, right? And this just switches between tabs, and of course we can delete the message. And that's about it from the user's point of view. Let's log out and log in as an owner, right? So we can have an owner as a role. And the main difference between user and owner is that not only that we have 3 tabs that user has, we have 2 additional tabs, my companies and add new company, right? And here are the list of the companies, and here are the list of the new so the form to add new company. And let's log out, and lastly we can log in as an admin, right? So admin has a lot of things here, right? User has these 3 things, owner has additional 2, and admin has cities tabs, categories tabs, and really cool all users and flags tabs. So let's look at the cities tabs. Displays all the cities. We can add new city. We can see the list of all categories, right? We can delete one. We can add new category. So here's the form, and here we are. All users tab lists all users, right? Not only, oh, so I forgot one thing. Oh, I will do, okay, so let's continue, and I will lastly do one more thing. So admin can delete users, right? This basic thing, and send mails. And next we have flags tab. So when Bob was, I think it was Bob, right? Let's look at the report, right? When Bob flagged this review, right, the admin is notified, and we have cool page here. So we can either send message to the writer of the review, we can send message to reporter, so the user that clicked flag. We can either delete the flag or delete the review, right? If we think that reporter was wrong, just delete the flag. If we think that a review is I don't know, inappropriate, we can delete the review. So basically this is everything. I just want to show you one more thing. So I'm here as Mary Poppins. Let's log in as Bob Marley. Right, so we in Mary's Poppin page we have Bob Marley as a friend, right? But here we have a link that says block, right? What this does, if Mary decides that she wants to block this user, it just sends the user to the block tab. And what this does is, if you go to the Bob Marley's page, and if you check my friends tab, it removes the sending mail or message, right, to Mary Poppins. So it's basically it. If she decides to add a friend, and if we are Bob Marley, and if we refresh the page, it just so Bob Marley is basically can send mail to Mary, right? Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial. This app is open source, so you can clone it, fork it, do whatever you think is appropriate. The link is on the About Us page to the Git repository. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching this and have a great day.